Welcome back again. Notice we are looking for three unknown variables here, and this is y, z, and x and z. So how do we have to identify this? If you look closely, we have something that may be similar, and that is this chord. This chord divides this circle into what? Into segment. This is the minor segment, and this other one is the major segment. Now, any angle in the same segment are going to be equal, provided that they touches the circumference. Where is the circumference? Round this circle is the circumference. So this angle here is produced by this chord and touch the circumference, and this one produced by this chord touch the circumference. It means that this angle and this angle are going to be the same. Why? Because they are emerging from this chord. But what of this angle here? You can see that this one that emerged from this chord stops at the center. So it is not touching the circumference, hence they are not equal. So we can now say that y is equals to what? 56 degrees. You put in a bracket because they are in the same what? Angle at the same segment, which is equals to what? B. Okay. Now we are left with what? S and y. So how can we get S value? Now from the theorem that says that angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference. You remember I made a video on that, you can go and check. So this is the center angle here, and this angle here is the circumference. So the center angle is going to be the twice of this angle at the circumference, so that S is going to be equals to 2 times angle B, and that is equals to what? 2 times 56, which is going to give us 1112 degree. So S is equals to what? 1112 degree. Now, because of that, how then can we now locate this other angle Z? Now, in this triangle over here, because these are radius, and you know that radius are equal, it means that we have an isosceles triangle, and in an isosceles triangle, the two base angles are going to be what? Equal. So if here is S, here is going to be X. And now we have gotten S here, Z, so I mean to say, we have gotten S here to be 1112 degree. Hence, the sum of angle in a triangle being 180, we can sum this up and we minus it from 180, then we can know what the value of Z is. Can we do that? So we're going to do Z plus 112 degrees is going to give us 180 because this angle and angle found in a triangle. We're going to have 2Z over here, 2Z over here plus 112 degree equals 180. Now 2Z is going to be equals 180 minus 112 degree. Now 2Z is going to be equals to, take away 180, take away 10, 70, take away 2. We are going to have what? 68. 68. Now you are divided by 2 because we are looking for Z. If you divide by it, you're going to have that Z is equals to 30, 30, they're going to share, and they're going to share 4. We have 34. So the angle here, which is Z, is what? 34. So Z is equals to 34. That is how we are able to complete this. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time and like this video. Also share to your friends. Bye bye.